So I'm gonna share one of the worst edges horror stories you've ever heard in your life. So right now my edges are looking a little bald-ish and looking something like cat ears because, I want it to look like this. Many years ago, I wanted to be trendy too, and I have 4C hair. I wanted my edges to lay flat. I decided to leave the relaxer on a little longer than recommended. Long story short, don't do that. So basically, right now I'm just using my razor comb and I'm just gonna comb through the back of the wig to give it some layers so that when I put it up in a ponytail, there can be like some short pieces to like fall out, kind of like, I'm not gonna call it baby hairs. You can chuck off into a river and die today. Anywho, I'm gonna remove my makeup because I don't like to have makeup on my skin for so long. I don't know how you guys, or some of you guys, wear your wigs for even up to a week or over a week with foundation on it. Like, I just can't. It's just the main reason why I've been breaking out, especially in that area. So I'm not going to be talking for too long. You know my regular stuff. I'm just tying it down, and then I'm going to be working on my edges, and the rest is history. Hi guys, I'm so full of shit right now. New makeup again. Okay, first of all, my battery died and I put the rollers in. I fell asleep basically. I fell asleep and here I am again. My hair is up right now. This is a 360 lace front wig. This is a 360 wig, y'all. I love 360 because, I can put my hair up. This is looking really cute. It's just a really messy bun on the top. This is really cute. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna section off some hair in the front and try to do like maybe like a bang or something. I don't know, maybe I should try to do like a sleek updo. Like try to slick the front down. I'm so cute, like I'm not even exaggerating right now.
It's like we talked about, right? The doctor's just gonna make a small incision in your leg. He's gonna clean out the infection. You'll be on antibiotics.
Boy, you gonna be high as hell. They don't give you that stuff that made Bobby and Whitney fall in love.
Do you see how natural this looks? Do you see? Let me just fix these edges up a little because this don't look natural at all. Do you see that? It looks so natural and cute. You just gotta clean the front up and the back isn't all lace. Don't try to slick the back down too much because the tracks are gonna like show and stuff, but I'm just trying to show you that you can look cute AF. Let me get my headband. Like y'all really think I'm out here playing in these streets. All right, slumber party delicious. Let me make this a little bigger, like how most girls out here like to do it. Yes looking like a teenager or whatever. Let me turn the back. If you can see glue, don't come for me, okay? I'm just trying to pull some baby hairs down. All right, bitch. All right, she's looking real cute and whatever, but I just want to jump in to say, if you have no luck with scissors, don't do what you're gonna see me do right now. You see me using the scissors to like add some layers to the hair. Don't do it because the cut is gonna be so blunt. And just please buy a razor comb. They're not expensive at all. The one that I was using in this video was like $1. So yeah, Okay, so I got these with this hair, but I'm not gonna be using these today because this requires a lot of time for your hair to dry. I mean, I can use a blow dryer with this, but it's really time consuming. So after I use a flat iron to curl my hair, like when I'm going to bed, I can like wrap it up just to make sure the curls stay in place. So yeah. Oh shit. She's cute. She real cute. And this hair is on the thinner side, so for the people who aren't really into like super duper thick hair, it looks natural. Honestly, it looks like relaxed hair. Like, to me, it looks like relaxed hair. I kind of cut this part a little too short, but I think it's still alright. Like, for example, when I'm at work, I can't have my hair down like this, so for work I would like pull this back. Yeah, this is work appropriate. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, you guys, that was it for this. Oh, focus on me because I'm looking real cute. Yeah, so that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything you need to know about this will be in everything you need to know about this wig will be in the description down below. And don't leave relaxer on your edges too long. You will lose them. Like me, I have cat ear edges, and these hairs, they need to stay in right where I put them. Yeah. So yeah, bye. I'm gonna leave it in there.
You are watching Mario without me.
You don't even watch it anymore. Yo, I made this part so bald. This little spot right here.